laman. Ang Kinder Joy. Parang may shrimp dito pero hindi na maganda. Oh, Italian sausage. Ravioli. Oh, ang daming karne ka. Oh, grabe. Isang box ng karne. Puro karne. Ayan. Nakalibre tayo ng karne. Oh, may sibuyas. At saka jelly. Sayang yung oatmeal. Pero bukas. Meron pa dito pork. Ilagay ko na lang dito. Parang sa maganda-ganda na lang siguro na box. Ano to? May nuggets. Ay, nahulog pa yung sibuyas. Ito na lang. Oh, salmon. Meron. Ano ito? Cinnamon dessert. Ayan, may patatas. May jacket. Jacket. Sayang po yung shirt. Oh, ang daming sayang yung gatas sa ilalim pero ang init baka kailan pa nila tinapon. Oh, may bread dito. Bread. Sayang yung harina. At mga bell pepper. Siraing balpa. Bukas yung bread. May celery. Yan lang yata. Oh, meron pa nga nakalibre tayo ng maraming karne. Ay, sayang itong mga kamatis. Sayang din to pero hindi na malamig. Another bread. Mais. Bun. Mga to? Mga mais. Grapes. Sibuyas. Ang daming sibuyas dito sa ilalim. Kaso sira. Na basa. Kailangan hugasan. Nabasa. Hindi na tayo magbili ng sibuyas. Ko. Ano ba yan? Nahulog pa. May sibuyas. Mga pulang sibuyas. Basa. Marami ng mga sira na tong ibang mais. Okay. sibuyas sa ilalim. Ayan mo, iba pang sibuyas. Saan? Basa. Kaya kailangan may gloves ka. Okay, parang yan lang. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for watching. We've recently rescued a 10-tier shoe rack that was on its way to a landfill. This is going to take up space in the city's landfill, and instead it's going to provide some useful shoe storage for us. So this is one of the 10-tier shoe racks. There's a drawing of one, and here's a photograph. You can see it's tall and narrow, holds a couple pair on each level, so it should hold 20 pair of shoes pretty well. We'll see how it looks after we build it. Now let's see what it looks like on the inside though. When I pulled it up, looks like the box was open, but we have a package of hardware that has been partially torn but not open. So that's our hardware for it. We have all this stuff is everything's zip tied together and still wrapped in paper. So there it is, brand new shoe rack. I'm going to put this together so we can see how well it functions, but yeah, and that's all that's in the box. So Huntington Home, 10-tier shoe rack that was on its way to a landfill, and we'll put it together and see what it looks like.